Good morning, this is meteorologist Steve Krasnowski with your weather briefing storm scoop update. It is Monday, January 11th, 2021. We'll call this one Happy New Week. Let's jump right in, and we have our surface map. High pressure in the northeast and along the coast as a storm continues to move through the south. We'll talk about that in a second. We have a storm. It's going to be kind of like a long duration event for the next 2 days, so it's going to bring a pretty good swath of precip. You call it a river, more or less, atmospheric river event, where it's just going to, areas are really going to see the opportunity for flooding. If I pull in a little bit, the threat posed, this comes from SPCA. The threat posed is exemplified by the moderate flash risk, strong confirmation of flood potential considering a high tolerance in the region for heavy rain and a non-convective nature of precipitation. It's going to rain, and it's going to rain a lot. A lot of areas are going to see flooding, some beyond minor. So keep an eye on that out there. Move back into the south. The upper Gulf dealing with the winter storm warnings and advisories still this morning. It seemed like yesterday they were dealing with the tropics, but many areas are reporting snow. And thanks to a lot of yesterday's storm behind it, the Deep South has now seen more snow this season than parts of the normally snowy North has. So enjoy your winter wonderland, Southerners. Still ongoing, but some totals. Brooksville, Mississippi is coming in with the most right now, 4.5 inches. Winona, Mississippi, 3.5. And Vicksburg as well, 3.5. Pulling out a little bit, showing the current snow depth at large. You can see the Rockies up into the Pacific Northwest. I've seen a good amount of snow. It's been dry. In the mid-Atlantic, sort of a snow hole right up into the big cities, so we're hoping to change that. Coming above the surface, this pattern supports extreme cold temperatures, definitely for the northeast. Cold bleeds eastward across the northern half of the nation. If the negative NAO breaks down or weakens, the eastern U.S. could see some major warmth, but the models don't suggest the NAO going positive just yet, so I think we still got about 2 weeks, and I think it's going to get colder, but we also have a pretty zonal flow, which is east to west, that's set up for this week. No digging, no troughs, nothing to really get excited about. Going out a little bit, you could see the Euros, first 3 weeks of the next 3 weeks, of the month. Cold. The right places. Hopefully we can use that cold. This weekend, again, nothing too exciting. There's no bundling of energy. Low pressure north means no high to pump down some of that cold Arctic air that we need. So the result is mostly wet with a system that pushes through and not white. I think any flakes are purely for entertainment value. And that's it. I'm not going to go any further than that. I'm going to save the rest for tomorrow. Anyway, we'll get us some more storms. Meteorologist Steve Krasnowski. Thanks. Have a great day.